What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Mazda CX-5 smart key remote fob. This Mazda CX-5 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using along the way is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our fob, and if we take a look at it, we can see one side has a logo and one side does not. The side without the logo is the side we're going to remove first. So down here on the key ring, we see there's this little black button right here. What you're going to do is hold that button down, and then we're going to slide this back piece up just a little bit. And once it slides up just that little bit, then it'll pull off of there like that. Now if we're calling the key ring the bottom, we're going to remove this top silver piece right here. And most of the time you can just get your fingers on there like this and pull it off. If not, you can use that flathead screwdriver just to help pry it up. Once we get that piece off, I'm going to pry up on this back cover. So I'll get my screwdriver in there and just pry up on it like that. And once that back cover's off, we have one more battery cover right here. Get my screwdriver under there and pry up on that cover. And then once that's off of there, we can see our battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver just to help get it out of that little holder. Then I'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up. And then and if this kind of silver piece right here, this round piece has moved at all, get that back into place. And then we'll snap our battery cover back on. Just kind of got to line it up so those fit in between those two tabs. Snap it down into place. Then we'll grab our cover, the side with the logo, and this tab you see right here, you're going to line that up in that hole right there, like that. Snap that down into place. And then we'll grab our silver piece here. And you can see there's these two tabs. Just line those up in those two holes. Snap that on. And then the last thing we need to do is put this back cover on. So the cover will kind of sit on there, and then it slides down just a little bit. Like that. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.